Angkatan Bersenjata Federasi Rusia melanjutkan operasi militer khusus di Ukraina. Kementerian Pertahanan Rusia merilis perkembangan di Luhansk, timur Ukraina. Unit artileri Rusia mengenai 6 titik kuat unit sisa-sisa Brigade 24 Ukraina di dekat Popasnaya, wilayah Luhansk. Akibat serangan itu, lebih dari 120 personel militer formasi, 11 kendaraan lapis baja, dan 14 kendaraan berbagai keperluan dihancurkan, kata juru bicara Kementerian Pertahanan Rusia, Maijen Igor Konasenkov dikutip Tribun Timur 12 April. Penerbangan operasional taktis Angkatan Udara Rusia menghantam 38 aset militer Ukraina. Di antaranya 1 depot amunisi di Toshkivka, wilayah Lugansk. Juga 8 area konsentrasi senjata dan peralatan militer Ukraina di Glazunovka, Pyatigorsko dan Prisip, wilayah Kharkov. Pertahanan udara Rusia menembak jatuh 2 kendaraan udara tak berawak Ukraina di udara di atas Ochakov dan Mykolaiv. Secara total, 130 pesawat dan 99 helikopter, 244 sistem rudal anti-pesawat S-300, Buk M1, OSA AKM, 445 kendaraan udara tak berawak, 2.153 tank dan kendaraan tempur lapis baja lainnya dihancurkan. Juga 241 sistem peluncuran roket ganda, 924 artileri lapangan dan mortir, serta 2.063 unit kendaraan militer khusus Angkatan Bersenjata Ukraina dihancurkan selama operasi, kata Igor dikutip Tribun Timur.
The armed forces of the Russian Federation continued a special military operation in Ukraine. During the night, high-precision air and sea-based missiles destroyed 1 ammunition depot and 1 secure hangar with Ukrainian aircraft at Starokonstantinov military airfield, Khmelnytsky region, as well as 1 ammunition depot near Gavrilovka in Kiev region. Operational tactical aviation of the Russian Aerospace Forces hit 32 military assets of Ukraine, among them 1 Buk M1 anti-aircraft missile system near Novomykhailovka, 1 radar for illumination and guidance of S-300 anti-aircraft missile system near Zolotaryovka, as well as 1 command post and 18 areas of Ukrainian military equipment concentration. Russian air defense means shot down 2 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles in the air near Berdyansk and Melitopol. In total, 130 aircraft and 99 helicopters, 244 anti-aircraft missile systems S-300 Buk M1 OSA AKM, 443 unmanned aerial vehicles, 2,139 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 241 multiple launch rocket systems, 917 field artillery and mortars, as well as 2,046 units of special military vehicles of the armed forces of Ukraine were destroyed during the operation. On April 11, in Mariupol, the remnants of Ukrainian troops surrounded on the territory of Illycha plant made unsuccessful attempt to break out of the city at night. A group of up to 100 Ukrainian soldiers on armored vehicles tried to fight their way out of the plant and leave the city in northern direction. Air and artillery strikes foiled this breakthrough attempt. 3 Ukrainian tanks, 5 infantry fighting vehicles, 7 vehicles and up to 50 military personnel were destroyed. Another 42 Ukrainian servicemen voluntarily laid down their arms and surrendered.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.